No, without talking. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I need to join you. Why you did it? I'm gonna do it. Yeah, do you know I played this before? Do you know I played this before? I played this before. I'm such a... No, I'm not lucky. I'm not lucky. Yeah, you don't think you're gonna fall? Oh, yeah. Uh, wait a minute. No. Yes, I did the video now. Are we gonna save it? We're gonna upload it. Yeah. Okay, I'm not. I'm gonna send it. Yes. Yeah. Do you know I upload so many videos? No, I didn't get 10 million subscribers like you. I didn't have 12. Dude, do you know I didn't have 12 Yeah, do you know Lena? I said she's a YouTuber also. She does Lena. Lena and Lisa, they're sisters. But I got to Lena's YouTube channel. And then there was she did a video that it was like ASMR's tower or tower with ASMR. And then I just commented, and then she loved it. Luckily, Yusuf is annoying. I didn't. I'm not at the stage. Where are you? Mm, nope. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure because no, no, I can't. I can't see you. I can't see you. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna finish all of it. When you were with your cousin, you did a video about this game. When you were with you, yeah, Yeah, I just didn't comment, but do you know the LOL video? But do you know the LOL video of yours? Yours. Yes. I just didn't. I remembered it. LOL video. Yeah. LOL. the you and me and you and Aziz. High up, but I just fall. No, I just fall a little bit, then I get back up. Yeah. The strawberries are whatever. Okay. Jude, do you know you hate do you know you hate Yara and we're going with her? Do you hate Yara? My mom told me to go with her. My mom told me to go with her and Taleen. Yeah, but I just got the BFF necklace from her. Do you know the BFF necklace from where? From Max. She got it from Max. She loved. Yeah, I will get when you come to my birthday. When you come to my mom's or my dad's birthday, I will get it. I will get your whatever. Yeah, that's not a. I. s- I'm a little bit high up. Black emo, black and yeah. Where are you? Okay. Red and have eyes. Then go sleep. Yeah. Yeah. I see. Yeah. I see you. Yeah. I turn on the shift lock so it's easy for me. So, so, sugata sanga, bombardino crocodile engines. Let me see. Okay. Jude, would you? I remembered one time when I made a video cut. No, I mean I remembered when the screen recording made a video cut, but I didn't upload it. Because I don't know because it was very long. No. And أنا في لساني قوم جبك قوم جنيس baby shake it to the max petition. How did you won? It was hard for me. It was very hard for me. I'm not sure. Oh. Yes. For you. Maybe turn on the shift lock so it's gonna be easy for you. I like it because Verosa use it for wall hopping. I use it for wall hopping. More better. I'm over here! Jumping! Jumping! Yeah. Yes. I think I see you from here. Whoa! My sister's iPad. I think you are see you from here. Okay. Okay. Get. Yeah. Let's read. Yeah. Let's read. Yeah. I'm gonna play Boba Tea Terror. Yeah. Let's read. Yeah. Let's read.